The granny squares, I have used exactly the same pattern. The link down on the description. It's like 6 rows in total. So the measurement of each granny squares is around 4 inches by 4 inches. And how to connect each pieces. Basically, you will need the 2 pieces together. Put the right side to the right side. Connect from the corner. Tie the yarn and then chain 3. Move on to the next gap, the next space, and do the single crochet in between the gap. This is how I connect the pieces together. This is my back piece. I have connected each pieces together for 8 pieces. Count as 1 row and then do the separate 8 pieces to make another rows before joining the 2 rows together. So repeat these until you get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. The measurement of these 5 pieces is 20 inches, and on this side here is 32 inches. So for the front piece, I have attached the 2 pieces together for 8 rows, 16 on the right side and 16 on the left side. I leave the one in the middle. For other sizes, you can also leave 1 or leave 2. This side will fit S and M. Now we need to bring the sleeves. The way to attach the granny squares, the same ways of connecting. I connect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces together first to make it as 1 row, and then the other 5 or 4 rows, and then they connect them together. So that would be 20 pieces for 1 sleeve, and do this for 2 of them. Then bring the body part. Bear in mind you will need to do lots of sewing work. Turn the right side like this. This is the back piece and this is the front. The middle part here, I will go 2 pieces here and 2 pieces here, and then connect using the same method. And this 2, and then use the 3 chains single crochet in between the gaps, the same as what I did with the other part. Continue doing this until you reach the end of this piece. So it will look something like this. This is the front and the back, and this is the sleeve. After that you need to fold like the right side to the right side, the front to the back, and you will have the sleeve on the side automatically like this. I will start to connect the side of the cardigan until I reach the end of the sleeves on that side. After you finish it, you repeat 1 more side, connecting the sleeve exactly the same, and then fold it, connect the side and the sleeve. After that, sew all the ends in. Alright guys, I have been sewing all the ends in, and it took me a few hours to get that done. If you want to finish it like this, it's entirely up to you. Or if you want to add the edgings, you can also do it. So what I would do, I'm gonna reconnecting the yarn at the end bits of this side. Here is the front. I'm right-handed, so I'm gonna start from here and then do the single crochet all the way up to the neckline, do the single crochet, and then do it back down to this end. Single crochet in every stitches. Alright guys, I have done the single crochet all the way around the cardigan, the edging of the sleeves. The total of the granny squares I have used is 112 pieces. I really hope you liked the tutorial guys. Any questions? Leave the comments down below on the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.